Yeah.
Just got an email.
Mm-hmm.
Congratulations, your release application was approved.
Yes!
Let's go! Let's get this on. Let's get this in 4K.
New home!
Yes!
New studio!
New home!
Okay.
That's not going to
We have finally moved in together, and because of that, we finally get access to a spare room we can use for our studio for our channel. It does make things quite easier, I will admit, and we have started making additions to it. Not perfect just yet, but hey, let's give you a tour.
No longer filming in my old apartment.
To start off our little tour of the new studio in the house that we all moved into, we'll start with my PC here. And if you remember from older videos, you'd seen it in the background with a black and a white desk. But what I've changed is I've gone to a Carlby walnut desk.
No.
Doggo. What I've changed about the desk is I've gone from the white and black one that I used to have in the background there to a new one with a walnut desktop with Carlby from IKEA and some standing desk legs. One thing that you'll notice about both desks is they're actually standing desks to allow us a bit more flexibility in the future with given videos or projects. In terms of other aspects of the desk, not much has changed. I have the same monitors, headphones, DAC, mic, and the PC itself. The only thing that really has changed is the mouse pad, keyboard, and the mouse itself. Going wireless this time around. But if you want more of a breakdown of what I have here in depth, feel free to let us know down in the comments so we can hook you guys up with a video of in-depth details. Outside of the changes, there's a few additions, such as a new headphone stand for my HD8XXs and a monitor light, which you kind of see accenting right here. I think it looks pretty nice, especially with the warm lighting on the walnut top. Gives it a nice accent light there. Comf.
So I'm sure as you probably noticed when Matt was talking in front of his desk here, behind him is this pegboard, also from IKEA. This video should probably be called something like 3 Guys Discover IKEA or something like that. But anyway, pegboard, super cool. Plan on putting just some keyboard related stuff or maybe some other project stuff, but it's mostly keyboards right now. Here we see, we have a little bit of lube, a lube brush, some keycap pullers, a keyboard, of course, and a mouse to go along with it. And then up here, some relatively empty bins. I see in this first one we already have some switches, but I believe the plan is to just have sort of bins full of switches that we might want to use for any sort of mechanical keyboards build, because that's something we really want to do on the channel in the future, is a lot more custom keyboard work, because Matt and I both find it really super cool. So yeah, we just have like bins of switches on the pegboard to use for builds, and I think that's gonna be super duper neat, as well as look really cool, provide a little bit more of a diverse background for our videos and whatnot. It's all just a matter of just getting more hooks or bins to stick on the pegboard. Plan on doing a couple of my custom keyboards here and here, maybe on that side, so yeah, all just a matter of time.
And right next to those pegboards, you'll see the second desk, which is a combination of both my work from home desk, along with being a flexible one to allow us to do stuff like Pass the Salt, which you can check out 1 p.m. Arizona time every Saturday live. Feel free to subscribe and hit that bell so you know when we go live for it. Along with that as well, we can also move it around, give us a little bit more flexibility, or use it as a backdrop like we are right now. Just helps gives a bit of options on that part. Just like my current desk, it is a Carlby top with some standing desk legs by Topski. If you do want a more in-depth video on how to make a desk like that, feel free to let us know. And with that, I think we're finally on to our last piece of the tour.
The shelves, as you can see behind me, come with a standard issue waifu, of course. And just along it, we have just various tech stuff. You might have seen them if you catch our latest episode of Pass the Salt, which Matt was just telling you about. This is the primary backdrop we intend to use for a lot of what we're filming and whatnot, and of course the podcast. We have it filled with various gaming consoles, so we got GameCubes, Wii, Dreamcast, N64, all sorts of stuff, even in SNES, which is pretty sweet, whatnot. But then on this side we just have some more just tech memorabilia and whatnot. So we have the Apple boxes for our resident Apple fan, our editor Sean, which, speaking of Apple, we're gonna go ahead and cover the Apple event Tuesday, March 8th, right? Okay. We're going to go ahead and cover that Apple event, Tuesday, March 8th. I'm not personally a Mac user, but I myself am really excited for what M2 might have in store. Get subbed and hit that notification bell so you know when we post that Apple recap video. Again, super excited for it. Anyway, and just some other boxes trying to add color. You see the Nintendo Switch, nice red there, contrast with the white. Next to the LTTstore.com water bottle, a fine water bottle. And yeah, just some various other gear and whatnot that we use around the studio, and just sort of create a sort of tall, relevant background to what we like to talk about on the channel. And that will pretty much include the studio. Oh, wait, I forgot the most important part. The water cooler. The beloved water cooler is still here in the new studio and can be seen in the shot. So we just have to get actual water for it to be a water cooler, and yeah, but it makes its glorious return. So you guys still want to see it? We've delivered, still there, no problem. The water cooler ain't going anywhere. And with that, that's going to conclude the studio tour. Once again, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Once again, our next upcoming video is going to be the Apple event, and then hopefully after this, start uploading regularly. Again, we're excited to bring all the new content and all the different camera work we might be able to do that this studio space allows it. So once again, thank you all so much for your guys' support. We truly couldn't do it without you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.
Three guys discover IKEA or something like that.